The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. Several reports have come that two suspicious Roblox characters are roaming the city of Oklahoma. Rumors are saying that NateDog2020 EXE has returned from the dead. All residents that are in Oklahoma City are advised to remain vigilant at this time. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. Residents in the city of Oklahoma, lock all of your doors immediately at 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. It has been reported that NateDog2020 EXE has returned from the dead and has the following characteristics: crimson glowing skin, black glowing eyes, red hair, sharp teeth and claws with blood on them, thin nose, arm, skeleton parts exposing from his body, and a shoulder pad with the following characteristics: one red eye, one small white eye, skeleton legs, and red glowing hair. It has been reported that he teamed up with another Roblox character called Lincoln530 EXE, and has the following characteristics: blood red skin, shadow black eyes, one yellow eye, one black eye, and gray glasses. These two men are breaking into people's homes and attacking and killing anyone they see in their path. Residents within a 100-mile radius of Oklahoma City are advised to close and lock all doors and windows. Tune into local TV and radio stations for more information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WVBA. We will continue to serve the Beckley, West Virginia area. If you're not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system, serving the Beckley, West Virginia area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone liner should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Beckley Police Department. Residents of the city of Beckley and surrounding areas, evacuate immediately. NateDog2020 EXE is threatening to snap his fingers with his thin nose arm if his demands are not met. Residents that are receiving this broadcast are strongly advised to seek shelter, take non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, a phone charger, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and deadly situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. NateDog2020 EXE has snapped his fingers, wiping out half of the universe instantly. All residents that are receiving this broadcast are strongly advised to seek shelter, take non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a fully charged cell phone, a phone charger, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. NateDog2020 EXE and Lincoln530 EXE have started to push the moon out of its orbit into the Earth. It will take 2 hours for the moon to reach Earth. There is nothing humanity can do to prevent this situation. Go into panic mode. If you want to, get together with your family and friends and brace themselves for the end. Your government thanks you for your cooperation, but this is the end. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. May God have mercy on our souls.